Hello, and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 9th, 2023, and I'm going to be doing some harvesting here. I already harvested the nigella. I'm going to do some more harvesting, and then I'm going to be talking to you some about what I have coming up. So I have these beautiful marigolds here. And I'm going to be harvesting some of these. These here are ready to be harvested. So I'm going to be working on getting my celosia planted in the bed house. And I've been fertilizing the perennials and getting that done. So we have those already fertilized and out and ready to go for the growing season. I am still working on planting peony roots, so I am still working on getting that done. They're not ready yet. But we have all kind of flowers coming into bloom. I'm gardening in Pennsylvania, zone 5B, so I have been working on getting the pansies planted out. And we've been getting quite a bit of rain. It's been raining so much. So in between harvesting and the rain, we've been getting stuff planted. We have a new greenhouse that we're building. And I will show you that then. Here's not ready yet. Not ready yet. So most of these aren't ready yet. One thing, if you go in marigolds, you're going to know it, because they have a fragrance all of their own. Let's see here. Status is not ready yet. Here you can see a little praying mantis here. See a little guy? Or girl. And then we have a ladybug back here. You can see the video on my channel for the ladybug release. That's on there. Our salvia is just starting to come into bloom here. And this is not ready to harvest yet. It has a lot of different side branches on it. And then our verbena is starting to come into bloom. It's getting a little teeny purple trumpets at the top. That's not ready to harvest yet, but it is coming. Our Crepespedia, I believe that's how you pronounce it, is starting to come into bloom. It has starting to form the little tops there. So this is the first year I tried this stuff in the raised beds. So I'm kind of curious to see how well it does. We have the xanthomums here. They're just starting to open. This one here is a double one. You'll get these in doubles and singles. And we have a winged everlastings here. This is doing very nicely. The Dumfrina, that was supposed to get taller than this, but apparently this is getting taller than this. So it's going to be interesting to see how that does. We have a bunch of celosia here that I'm going to be getting transplanted. I'm going to be putting that right into the raised beds. And a bunch of straw flowers here. This is just a few straw flowers. There's more in the other greenhouses. And my cucumber crop's coming in, so these are going to be getting transplanted into hanging baskets so we can have our cucumber crop. And we already have some celosia growing over there. And I'm going to be putting more in these raised beds here. So I'll be moving all of these trays then and getting this all planted in here. But if you come out here, this is our new greenhouse here. And I just had the soil put in it. It was tilled in through. And because we're not growing vegetables in it, we use pressure treated wood on it, and this is going to get covered with one covering. We have our channel lock, which is going to have the wiggle wire in it, and this is the brand new one here. It's not done yet. I'll show you when it's all done and talk more about that in another video. So, it's kind of some of what we have going on right here. You can look behind you here. This is the, we just fed the chrysanthemums and the feverfews in there. And our yarrow's coming back. We did lose a few plants, not too many. I'm pretty happy with what made it through the winter with the type of winter that we had. So that's some of what we have going on right now here on the flower farm. Okay, so we took a walk down here to one of the perennial and annual patches that we have here, and you can see here our tansy is coming back very nicely. Now tansy can be invasive, so I'm going to be using it for the cut flower, and I'm not going to let it go to seed. But if it takes over out here, it's not going to be nearly as much as if it will be in a flower bed. And then we have our yarrows coming back here. We have two different varieties of yarrow out here so far. And you can see the difference. This one here grows completely different than this one here. This one here grows like in a mound. This one produces a lot of roots off, and it gets in like a real big patch. So this one here, I tried putting it in my landscaper's fabric, and that didn't quite work the best because it's actually coming up so much all different places that it's not quite working with the landscaper's fabric. But you can see we have more yarrow up through here, and we have some more perennials here. I do have a lavender. Now this one here was a lavender cutting that I had taken, and we put it in, and it is coming back, so I'm happy about that. These here were annuals here, so they're going to come out, and other stuff's going to go in. And the feverfew is coming back very nicely. These are also, there's some chrysanthemums in here as well, so they're coming back pretty nice. And this up here, it went through and tilled it, but it's still too wet for planting. So we've been busy getting stuff planted and moved out of the greenhouses, and I just wanted to show you this here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button notifies when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!